Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? You know, those sneaky subscriptions, those one-time purchases that somehow keep recurring, and just the general mystery of your finances? Yeah, me too. And that's why apps like Rocket Money and Cash App have become so popular. But here's the burning question: do they actually play nice together? Can Rocket Money, your financial watchdog, really see what's happening inside your Cash App? Let's break it down. We're living in a world where managing money is more complex than ever. We've got traditional bank accounts, digital wallets, investment apps, and a seemingly endless stream of subscription services. Keeping track of it all can feel like trying to herd cats. That's where apps like Rocket Money step in. They promise to simplify our financial lives by bringing everything into one place. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, aims to give you a clear picture of your finances. It scans your accounts, identifies recurring subscriptions, helps you create budgets, and even negotiates bills on your behalf. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. Then there's Cash App. It's not just a way to send money to friends. It's become a versatile financial tool, offering everything from direct deposits and investing in stocks and Bitcoin to a debit card that you can use anywhere. It's a key part of many people's financial lives. So, here's the core issue: can Rocket Money tap into your Cash App data? The answer, like with many things in the world of financial technology, is a bit nuanced. The key to understanding this lies in how these apps connect to your financial institutions. Many financial apps, including Rocket Money, rely on services like Plaid to securely link your accounts. Plaid acts as a bridge, allowing apps to access your financial data with your permission. However, not all financial institutions and apps are compatible with Plaid. And this is where we run into a bit of a snag with Cash App. Here's what we know. Direct linking challenges. According to information provided by Rocket Money's help pages, apps like Cash App have historically presented challenges for direct linking. This means that directly, through Plaid, that the services do not always work together. This is due to the way that those financial services have developed their security protocols and how they share data with third parties. The evolving landscape. It's important to remember that the world of financial technology is constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. Rocket Money and services like Plaid are continuously working to expand their compatibility. So, it's possible that direct linking with Cash App could become available in the future. Alternative solutions. Even if direct linking isn't currently possible, there are still ways to get a more complete picture of your finances. For example, you can manually track your Cash App transactions within Rocket Money or incorporate them into your overall budget. Also, remember that Cash App is often linked to a traditional bank account. That traditional bank account is able to be linked to Rocket Money. So in many cases, the funds that move through Cash App will still be able to be seen via the traditional bank account that it is linked to. Why is this important? Comprehensive financial overview. A complete view of your finances is essential for effective budgeting and financial planning. If you're missing a significant portion of your spending, it's difficult to get an accurate picture of where your money is going. Subscription tracking. Cash App is sometimes used for subscription payments, so being able to track those within Rocket Money is crucial for identifying and canceling unwanted subscriptions. Financial awareness. Understanding your spending habits across all platforms helps you make informed financial decisions. In essence, while the direct interaction between Rocket Money and Cash App may have limitations, there are still ways to achieve your financial management goals. Here are a few key takeaways. Stay informed about the latest updates from Rocket Money and Cash App regarding compatibility. Explore alternative methods for tracking your Cash App transactions. Remember that financial technology is constantly changing, so keep an eye out for new developments. Remember that many Cash App transactions are linked to a traditional bank account, and those transactions will be seen when linking that traditional bank account. The world of personal finance is becoming increasingly digital, and apps like Rocket Money and Cash App are playing a significant role in helping us manage our money. While there may be some challenges in getting these apps to fully integrate, there are always ways to adapt and find solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.